let's extend our Okarun mask. This is my community post. I wanted to extend the mask, so I made a vision. Where's the vision? Oh, okay, and let's start. So download pattern, link in the description. Then once you print it out, cut it out. Then once you cut it out, let's grab ourselves a 1mm cardboard thickness, of course. Then let's start tracing our pattern. After we trace the first part, we just need to flip the pattern and trace it again for the other side. Then after that, cut it out. And I grab the bottom part of the cutter to make a dent on the cardboard. So this is just an optional detailing for the side. As you can see, the bump looks like a cloth. You look at it at the right angle. And let's get the Okarun mask we made. Here's the card for the first part of this video. Then we just need to glue it on this side. Okay? I just added some glue, just keep it stick in there so it doesn't fall out. Then let's get started by painting it. So I'll start with the white. This will help the red pop up brighter than because if you just put the red there, the red will be darker because of the darkness of the cardboard. So our priority is to add the first white layer for the red. And we're done with the first side of the mask. And after that, of course, we need to do the other side. So here's the skip for the other side. Also, I wanted to color the inside black because it's very confusing to look at. So it's kind of hard to paint the shiny side of the cardboard. So the paint won't stick. So I think I need to do 2 layers to make it good. Here's the extended mask of Okarun with the red on the back. See you on the next video. Subscribe.